I'm gonna film a little bit. What are you gonna do? Are you happy? Give me a smile.
You want me to move them logs over so you can watch the rest of them?
More logs. Boy, these good logs. This one back there. Right there's a real good log saw right there. Good. There's a little bit of pop there. What do you think of that, stump jumper? You said you was into some good. Pretty good. There's nothing. I'll make some more. Yeah. Just a good day in the neighborhood. We're gonna cut some hemlock. He's a buddy of mine. I like a lot of him. He's just about built a town over there. He owns like 300 acres. And he's gonna build something else. He wants every bit of hemlock I can get. He loves that stuff. Why, I don't know. That's just him. You ain't gonna change his mind. His wife, she no longer is, but at one time she was my cancer doctor's assistant nurse. And she's still a nurse, but she's doing something else now. And his wife's the one that actually got me an appointment with Dr. Messina. So I kind of owe him a little bit for that too. Now he's as tough as they come. So I'll cut that for him. Mother's happy. She just wrote a big old check for all these logs. We're gonna have to get to work. Put that back in there. You'll be nervous. She's a smiling spider herself. Ordered me some more capacitors from a air compressor. That thing still ain't starting right, but I will get it fixed. And old mill's doing fairly well. I'm still cussing that saw, but you know, gotta cuss something, I guess. We'll get ready to wind things up here. There's old chipper. That thing does really good. I wish they hadn't sold them straight. That's kind of stupid on my part. Here's old edger. It's probably dull. Everything seems to be in order on the carriage here. We'll do a pre-flight inspection. Make sure this thing is airworthy. Best I can tell, it's pretty good. Old saw's fairly sharp. So we'll lay the blade to some hemlock here in a minute. As soon as Mother gets everything going. Dust chain's off down there. We're going to put it back. It jumps off every once in a while, but not often. What happens is it gets the slab and that chain that'll kick it off. Where I need to buy me a saw, but I just hate to spend the money on one no longer, but I'm going to still be a sawing. I reckon my health's holding pretty good. Got that tooth pulled last week and I've had real good luck with it. That medicine I take, there's a real worry about dental work and stuff. Matter of fact, I talked to a lady yesterday. Her mama's got cancer. They said she may lose her whole lower jawbone to that infection. It's a legitimate worry, but hopefully I won't have to deal with that. I hate to lose my jaw. Looks like Mother's getting things done. Looking forward to the bunion. Get to see all you people. Have a good time, tell a few lies. So, nothing don't happen. I'll probably be up there Thursday evening before it starts on Friday. We're going to stay Thursday night and Friday night and Saturday night and come back home Sunday sometimes. That's what our schedule's going to be. Hope we get to meet a lot of you guys. Really look forward to it. Got a Devil Wade and Stumping Jumper a little bit, and Alex. Cotton Top. And all the rest of you. We'll just have a big old time. See if we can't get everything going. There's a hemlock. Put poison oak on it. That'll do Mother good. Old power unit's doing right well. It's doing real good. It always did run good. And somebody asked me what vintage this was. I'm almost sure this thing is, I know it's military, for it's got military filters on it. And I believe it's World War II surplus. And I know it's been rebuilt at least twice. It was rebuilt before I got it. And then I rebuilt it. And it's the real old style. It's just got a 2-valve head, where the newer one's got a 4-valve. And it's got a 1-piece head gasket, where the older ones had just pieces instead of a whole head gasket. I don't know why, but I saved most of my old head gaskets. Out there's like 4 or 5 John Deere that I just hang up there. They ain't no good. They ought to be thrown away, but just kind of a reminder. See where that blowed? These all been blowed or something wrong with them. But that's them. I'll see over here. I seen that the other day. I was gonna hang it up there. I think got around bringing it around here. It come off of this 671. Here it is. That's a 1-piece head gasket. And they probably got away from that in the 50s. They get over here and I'll hang it with them up. That sure is something that's pretty old. Them logging tongs there. I've had them forever. I had old stiff boom logger loader or skidder, and I give it away. And I kept the tongs that come with it. Just up here. So, yeah. There's another treasure. Well, saw blade behind it too. But that's where that's at. Well, I guess I've yammered on enough. I got Mother a deer block for a deer. She likes to feed them old deer around here. Especially during hunting season, she likes to keep them around here so nobody will kill them. We might sneak in and shoot them, and, you know, that's just me. Yeah, look at them logs up there. Don't that look good? Makes you feel warm at heart. Well, we'll talk to you folks later. Bye.